What is LinkedIn and how does that work? These are questions I get asked frequently. Hey guys, Emilia here from emipowered, bringing you today the best tips and tools in how to win at life and level up your career. When LinkedIn first started, it was a platform for recruiters to advertise job posts and for candidates to submit their resume online. But today it is also a platform that connects people to peers and also a network for like-minded business people. So let's check it out. And here is my profile. If we aren't connected yet, feel free to send me a request and drop me a message and say, hey, it's me from your YouTube channel. I'd love to connect. As we see, LinkedIn starts with your profile and it's all about positioning yourself as best as you can. If you're job hunting, make sure you have a catchy top box area, a professional and inviting picture, and an attention-grabbing tagline. Then there is a timeline with all your working experience, followed by your education, certifications, volunteer experience, whatever you want to put here. And you can also add your skills on your profile and go ahead and add them so that people can endorse you. You can have recommendations too, and if you don't have any, don't worry, you can ask people to recommend you like this. Guys, if you'd like to know more about how to set up your LinkedIn profile and make the best out of this platform, please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell button to not miss those videos. So another thing about LinkedIn is that it is one of the biggest job searching platforms. So let's go and check it out. Let's click on jobs, and when you're searching for jobs on LinkedIn, you can type the title of the job you're looking for. Then you add the location, et voila. All jobs for marketing management in London. Another quick one, you can even add personalized filters to make sure that you find your dream job more easily on LinkedIn. Guys, that is pretty much LinkedIn on a nutshell. Comment down below if you already have a LinkedIn profile or if you're going to create one. Guys, if you'd like to know more about how to use LinkedIn and make the best out of this platform while growing yourself professionally, comment down below and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a bit. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.